Welcome! I am doing this video in my craft room, and I share my craft room with my laundry room, and so behind me is my laundry room, and I'm sorry that you get to look at that while I do this quick video. Today I just wanted to get on and tell everyone thank you. I have had so many nice comments, and I've increased my subscribers by over 200 people. And I'm just really overwhelmed by the amount of views that I've had over this past week with the paper pumpkin kit, and I just am really grateful. And so I wanted to do a video today, and I wanted there to be two parts. One, a chance for you to get to know me, and two, to do a giveaway. So I've written myself some notes so that I don't forget anything. The first thing is that I would like you to get to know me a little bit. So my name is Chelsea Christensen, and I am the creator behind Creative Chelsea, which probably is obvious. I enjoy being creative, and I have a lot of background in art. In high school, my favorite class was photography, and this was back in 1995 through 1998. And so that's before digital photography happened. And so we did a lot of black and white, and we developed our own film and developed our own pictures, and I really fell in love with that. And so from that experience, I decided that I wanted to go into art education as a degree. And I graduated with that, and then I taught in 2 different schools for about 5 years in total. And so that's kind of when digital photography really started taking off as well. I was teaching, and so I taught myself a lot of the programs. And from that experience, I decided I wanted to try and be a graphic designer. And so I got a job, and I did that for about another 5 years, I think, where I did a lot of graphic design. We made magazines and lots of internet advertising and marketing and website design, email marketing, and I really enjoyed that as well. And then about 10 years ago, give or take, I found Stampin' Up and really enjoyed the creativity that that gave me. And one of the things that I love about stamping in card making is that it is a short-term project. So when I start a card, I usually can finish it within an hour, and I really like that that is short. Right now, I am a mom to 3 busy kids. My oldest is 8, and then I have a 6-year-old and a 4-year-old. And so if you hear stomping or screaming, that is probably them. And so creating needs to happen in a quick time frame for me, because I want to spend a lot of time with them, and so I don't have a lot of time to create, but I still need that for my personal sanity. And so that is something that I love about card making and creating and stamping. So now that you know a little bit about me, let's get into the giveaway. So I would like to give 5 people a card that I have made recently with some new Stampin' Up! Product. So I just created my first online class, and it is called, it's from the Bird Ballad Suite that Stampin' Up! Has. So it's this beautiful suite. I don't know if this is the right way or the wrong way. I haven't figured out. But this suite, I just loved it. I fell in love with it instantly. I love birds. And so I decided that I would make an online class with this. And so that is currently available, and you can check that out on my website, and the information is below. But I made cards to go with that. And so I've got lots of cards, and I wanted to share those with you guys because I, like I said earlier, I'm so grateful for all the new subscribers and for all the kind comments that you guys have been leaving. So let me show you the cards. All right, so this is the first one. It probably is backwards, huh? I guess I don't know how to do that, but you can see the design. And then the second one. So there are 5 cards, and I'd like to have 5 winners. This one was really fun. I liked making this one. And this one is one of my favorites. Okay, so those are the 5 cards. So to enter this giveaway, I would like you to comment on this video below. I would really like you to also be a subscriber. If you're not and you don't want to, that's okay. I still will send you a card, but you do need to comment below and answer this question. I would like to know how long you have been crafting. And that could include any type of crafting, or if it's just card making, what other types of crafts do you enjoy doing? Just trying to get to know you a little bit as well. So the winners will be chosen on Friday, next Friday, the 28th of June. And I will just randomly choose 5 winners from all the comments that are given. So anybody between now and then who's watching this video will have a chance to win one of these beautiful cards. I would love to do another giveaway. So let's try to get 500 subscribers by sharing either this video or one of my other videos that you enjoyed with your friends on Facebook or Instagram. If you would like to connect with me, I also have an Instagram account and a Facebook page and a Facebook group. And I will leave those links below, and you're welcome to message me if you have any questions about any of my videos, or if there's something specific that you would like to see me do. Again, thank you for watching my videos and for all the nice comments that you have left. I hope you have a creative day. Bye!